Hey guys, it's the Night Raptor, and today we're gonna be doing Roblox video. So I usually do Lego animations and everything, but I decided I'm gonna do a series of Roblox tutorials since I am a pro builder. I've decided to make this a series of videos that we'll be doing more often. This is a lot easier than animation, so who knows, it might be right there next to animation with my channel. If this is a success and you guys like this video, please tell me. So what we're gonna be doing is how to get rid of viruses in your game. So there's been problems in the toolbox that people have been putting viruses in their models. So for example, since I like Jurassic Park, let's type in Jurassic Park Fence. Now take this model for example. It tells you Jurassic Park kills when touched. So this model, if you want to check for an infection, just type in I am poo. Nothing shows up for I am poo. That's one of the script names, and then type in infection. No, nothing. Then spread, nothing. So that means your game is safe with this model. It won't destroy your game or do something adding some bad virus to it or anything. So you can use this model. But what if you use other models that might have a virus? So this one will do the same thing, but right off the bat when you put this model, it has the I am poo in it, and inside that it has a script which is to destroy your game too. So you want to delete this, then you go here, another one, so you just type in I am poo. See all the ones that have I am poo? So delete all these. This model has something wrong, we already know, but what about in any infections? Is it safe with safe with any how do you spell infections? Yes, infection. No infection. So what about spread? And as you see, we got a lot of spread hidden in the fire parts, so most people don't know. So what you want to delete is all these fires. The spread will basically cause the fire to make the game laggy and spread fire everywhere till your game's all burnt down. So now the model is safe. Also this one, X2, you also want to look for that. The X2, there's only one of that, so just delete that. Should be good. And it looks like your model's safe now. But if everything else is just like a mesh or anything, or a weld, your game is fine and it's free of all viruses. So this model is usable and it's safe. Now you can use this, and what I did when I made my last game is I used this same model, but instead I duplicated without even checking if it had viruses. So now I can duplicate it, but it won't have viruses. So now I don't have to take a billion years deleting all those viruses. So that's how you get rid of viruses for your game. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing and liking the video. And please comment down below, and I will check all your comments and reply. So yeah, thanks for watching, and tell me if you want any more Roblox tutorial videos. Alright, bye bye.